breakfast in the poolside area. I'm not hungry as such, so juice pee ke kam chala raha hu. I did not eat anything, I just had that orange juice. Bhook nahi laga hai, but definitely I still have an hour's time. Let's see if I feel hungry, I'll eat something. I'm just sitting on the table and working on my laptop. I'm editing my first day's vlog, RiderMania first day, that was yesterday. I'm editing that vlog. Bas ho gaya, iske baad around I'll work for an hour or so, and then I'll go to the room, change and leave for Wagator. I'm leaving for the venue right now. Just a quick info, Activa here that I booked right now, but the one that I used yesterday and the same one that I'm going to use today as well, that is for 350 rupees per day. पेट्रोल अलग से भरना पड़ेगा. पेट्रोल यहाँ पे कैसे सामने शॉप्स वगैरह में भी मिल जाता है, ऐसे बॉटल रखा रहता है 1 लीटर का. दैट वाज कॉस्टिंग मी 90 रुपीज़. एक्सपेंसिव है बट क्या करें. दिस इज़ अ रेस ट्रैक. यहाँ पे डॉट बाइक रेसिंग वगैरह जो होता है ना, दैट हैपन्स हियर. दैट इज़ वन मोर स्लो बाइक राइडिंग जो होता है सबसे धीरे चलाने का, दैट आल्सो हैपन्स हियर. I didn't show it to you guys yesterday. This is the main entrance. This is the design of a spider.
I'm sure. Hey, my man! Are you in? Did you see the race?
No. Hi again.
So he did not see the race.
Yeah.
So he did not see the race,
I missed it.
but he has to not worry because my vlog has covered everything.
Definitely.
And I think this is my third t-shirt I've changed. I was sweating in the rally area because it is extremely hot. But I hope he likes it.
Yeah, I will love your video anyway. You don't
Crazy vibe.
Sure. Definitely. Raj just said that he wants a video with me. He wants a video with me. You're in my
Interface.
You're in my yeah.
Alright, cheers, mate. Catch up. So you think we're going to the concert, we chill out. Listen to good music, go crazy.
Yeah, sure. I'll be around. Like.
Yeah. I'm mostly, I like bikes, so I'm always here. Alright.
See you. He introduced me to his family, his YouTube family. It was lovely. So we'll be going for a concert later on. Later in the night, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll be here itself. If he happens to go to the concert or somewhere out, I will be going with him. Isn't that crazy? How's RiderMania for you?
This is my second RiderMania and I'm just loving it. It's kick-ass, it's beautiful. The people are actually maniacs and I'm loving it.
What's your name?
I'm Neha.
She's Neha from Gurgaon.
Yes,
From Gurgaon. It was nice meeting her.
Pleasure meeting you.
She loved my bag.
I loved it. I might just steal it.
Nice meeting you. Thank you. This is Dheeraj.
Yes, you all
Dheeraj भाई
can
कौन है ये मैं आपको
the see
किसी और दिन
entire
ब्लॉग में
stall and
बताऊंगा.
have conversations
ये
with them.
और
They were
ईशान भाई
interested to have
बहुत खास
conversations
है
with
मेरे.
you about your bikes and the kind of type.
I wanted to buy a few t-shirts yesterday, but मेरे size का available नहीं था. उन्होंने बोला, they told me that they'll be those t-shirts will be available today. Let me just go and have a look. दो shops हैं t-shirts वाले. So let me just see if it's available or not. So I bought one of these t-shirts. I ride motorcycling way of life. Got 2 t-shirts for me. So this is Gautam.
Rahul.
Both my subscribers are here. Nice meeting you guys.
Thank you.
Do watch my video. Share my video. You're there in my vlog. आप लोगों ने कभी एक है तरावड़े कोल्हापुरी मिसल मस्त होता है यार. I just met a few of my subscribers here.
Hi.
आपका नाम? आपका नाम? Subscribers here. Thank you. For your time. ये साइड जहाँ पे बाइक्स वगैरह रखे हैं वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा लाउड म्यूज़िक चल रहा है. और वो साइड जहाँ पे स्टेज और बाकी सारे स्टॉल्स वगैरह थे, साइलेंसर, टी शर्ट्स वगैरह के बाकी सारे एक्सेसरीज़ के जो स्टॉल थे, वो साइड तो स्टेज है. वहाँ पे तो स्टेज पे कॉन्सर्ट चालू है, तो इट्स इवन लाउडर. ज़्यादा ही शोर है वहाँ पे. इट्स क्रेजी आउट हियर. आई हैव नो वर्ड्स. इट इज़ सो मच फन. इट्स लाइक यू आर amongst these 5,000, 6,000 people, and all of them are like-minded because they all love bikes, have their love for motorcycles and engines, and ऐसा लगता है अब ये अलग से एक दुनिया है फिलहाल. You guys saw Dheeraj, right? The guy I met over there on that side, and I spoke to you about Ishan. बहुत खास है मेरे. I just spotted Ishan. Let me just go and surprise him. देखते हैं उसका reaction क्या होता है. Here he comes. क्या हो गया?
मोटा हो गया.
हाँ, वजन बढ़ गया है. Can you just say hi?
Hey, how are you?
That's Ishan Panotkar. So, मैं वेन्यू के अंदर ही था पूरा टाइम, कल भी और आज भी. So I did not see anything outside. Like ये, you can hear that? It's too loud outside and there are a lot of people here, which is why I did not come outside yesterday. तो मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि बाहर भी शॉप्स वगैरह है. So अंदर के शॉप्स वगैरह मैंने दिखा लिए. अभी बाहर के just have a look. I just met Melvin. Have you guys seen him before?
I'm sure you have.
Yes, definitely.
So we are at RiderMania. We are with our friend who is doing a vlog about us. So let me explain why he's here. We have a new product called Emergency ID. This is what the product is all about.
This is the card.
That's our card. You can visit us on emergencyid.in. Basically, आप अगर रास्ते पे हो, चला रहे हो, अगर कुछ हो जाता है, this is gonna save your life. It is not very expensive, 400 rupees for a personalized printed card along with a pouch which can be used in multiple ways.
Okay.
Visit our website and see all the details, and if you like it, you can definitely make a purchase. So we are at RiderMania, we are having fun, and I hope you are having fun too. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so much. it's 9:30 p.m. right now, and the event is over for today. So that's it for day 2. I might have some other plans. I'll just get back to you guys in a second. I'm back in the hotel. I spoke to Rohan and he is in Brito's Bala. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Brito's time. Traffic थोड़ा ज़्यादा है इसके लिए walk करके जा रहा हूँ. It's not that far. It's 10 minutes away from my hotel.
RiderMania 2018.
RiderMania 2018. Cheers.
क्या तेरे टूथपेस्ट में
नमक है?
नहीं पेपर है? मिर्च है? नींबू है? नहीं नींबू that will be copyrighted. Anyways, cheers.
Fourth beer down. So finally, I guess it's time for us to call it a night. It's 4:10 in the morning, and I'm off to my room.